Children, let's now see next category sum, problems based on Bhaskaracharya. Now you must be wondering that do we have something of this type? No. He is a renowned mathematician, Bhaskaracharya. So it is not a kind of type actually, it is his name. Children, he is that mathematician who have given us some new kind of sums which involves roots, square roots, cube roots in quadratic equation, mainly the square roots, right? He is a person who has discovered all those kind of sums, and that's the reason I have just in honor to his name I have said problems based on Bhaskaracharya. So it is not my and your problem, it is the problem which he has removed and it is in his time. What the question says, kindly pay attention. This is a very interesting question and the solution is also equally interesting. A milkman has certain number of milch animals. I hope you are aware milch animals are nothing but animals which can give milk. A milkman has certain number of milch animals. Out of these, 1/5 are cows. Thrice the square root, as I stated couple of minutes back, where sums on Bhaskaracharya are nothing but sums which have square root involved in it, mainly square root as I stated. Once again, out of these, 1/5 are cows. Thrice the square root of the total number are buffaloes and the remaining 5 are goats. How many milch animal does the man have? Children, just tell me, normally whenever we are being asked to find out, find dash dash dash, find blah blah blah, what do we say? So we write down in our answer is let that dash 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 be x, let the number of dash be x, let the number of dash be x. But over here we have a slight change, at least from my side. I'm going to give you a very totally innovative different solution. What is that going to be? You must be used to with let the total number of dash dash be x, 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 x. I'll say let the total number of milch animals, instead of x square, instead of x, I shall say let the total number of milch animals be x square. You must have not heard any time person initializing something as x square. Let the total number of milch animals be x square. Within next couple of minutes you will understand why am I taking x square rather than x. Let the total number of milch animals be x square. Now we once again go through the sum. Out of these, 1/5 are cows. 1/5 of what? 1/5 of total number. So shall I say number of cows which the milkman has? 1/5 the total number. So 1/5 of x square. Thrice the square root of the total number are buffaloes. Number of buffaloes is, kindly pay attention children, thrice the square root of the total number. Children, what happens under root of x square? X. So let me jot down this over here. 3x. That was the reason me taking total number as x square. Had I taken the total number as x, say I'm just writing with a different marker. Had I taken the total number as x, you know what would have been happened over here? We would have got number of buffaloes as 3 root x. We would have got the number of buffaloes as 3 root x. That doesn't mean that our sum is wrong and we cannot solve it from here. We can solve with this also. Mind you, I'm not saying that this is the only solution. No, we can solve with this also. But I feel compared to this, you are going to find out this solution very, very easy. And you will understand in a couple of minutes next. So that was the main reason. Prima facie, I have taken x square rather than x. Let's see further. And the remaining 5 are goats. So how many milch animals do the milkman have? So I can directly say as per given condition. What is the given condition over here? as per given condition, or what? How can we frame the equation? As 1/5 are cows, so shall I say x square by 5? 3x are buffaloes, remaining 5 are goats. When I sum up cows, buffaloes and goats, what do I get? The total number of milch animals. And what are the total number of milch animals? The total number of milch animals are nothing but x square, children. Once again, number of cows, buffaloes, goats, sum it up. What do I get on summing up? Total number of milch animals. That's nothing but x square. Children, we have in the denominator 5. So I'll simply say multiply by 5 throughout. Either you say the word both the sides throughout. When I multiply every single term by 5, when I multiply this by 5, this 5 and this 5 gets cancels off. I'm left with x square. When I multiply this by 5, 3x into 5, 15x. When I multiply this by 5, 5 5s are 25. X square into 5, 5x square. Bring everything on one side so as to get a quadratic equation equal to 0 format, standard format. Bring, or rather shift entire this over there. So 5x square minus x square minus 15x minus 25 equals to 0. 4x square minus 15x minus 25 equals to 0. What is my sum, children? My sum is minus 15. What is my product? My product is minus 25 into 4 minus 100. Children, my sum is minus 15. My product is minus 100. Any idea? Any guesses? 25s are. So 4x square minus 20x plus 5x minus 25 equals to 0. 4x, x minus 5 plus 5, x minus 5 equals to 0. 4x plus 5 equals to 0, or x minus 5 equals to 0. So we'll solve it over here. 4x plus 5 equals to 0. I write down once again. Or x minus 5 equals to 0. 4x equals to minus 5, or x equals to 5. X equals to minus 5 by 4, or x equals to 5. Children, don't you think so that we need to discard this one, as the number of milch animals cannot be negative, or maybe in fraction also, but x is equals to minus 5 by 4 acceptable. Children, you can give answer from your end, whether it is in fraction or negative. I'll just write down, since number cannot be in fraction. So what is the answer, children, then? What is the answer? Therefore, x is equals to 5. Now, those who go with my answer, here you have to be very, very careful, children. Here you have to be very careful. I'm just putting a star over here. Why? Because normally in all the sums, the moment you get the value of x, normally in all the sums, the moment you get the value of x, we tell ourselves that we are done. We are done with the sum. But over here, we are not done with the sum, for a simple reason. Focus, what did sir said? Let the total number of animals be x square and not x. So we are not done over here. I shall say squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides. X square is 25. X square is 25. So shall I say the total number of milch animals is 25. Now children, I would like to cross check my answer. How will I cross check my answer? Let's see. What did the question says? The question says, out of the total number, 1/5 are cows. Mind you, whatever I'm writing down over here is only for cross check. Whatever I'm going to write down with a different marker over here is only for cross check. 1/5 are cows. So 1/5 of x square. Can I say 1/5 of 25 is 5? So 5 is what the number of cows are. Thrice the square root are buffaloes. So thrice the square root. So 3 into x. Mind you, 3 into x. We already got x. So 3 into 5, 15. So these are the number of buffaloes. These are the number of cows. And 5 are goat. 5 are goat. Sum it up. 5 plus 15, 20 plus 5, 25. And that's what our answer is. That's what our answer is. Total number of milch animals. So children, this technique really works out and it's totally hassle-free. There is no tedious calculation. You can say your factors are very, very easy by taking number of milch animals as x square rather than x. I hope you have understood this particular sum.